Frog. I feel like I'm halfway there. People have always aligned me with frogs. My eyes are quite far apart, and maybe I just have something slightly froggy about me. So many people have told me that. So I sort of have learned to love the frog, and I feel like I'm one of them. So I definitely enjoy turning into one. I send a few frog memes sometimes. I've been known to send a frog meme.
I think if I could transform into an animal like My Lady Jane, I would transform into a bird, because who doesn't want to fly? I fly a lot in my dreams, and I would like to make that a reality.
Lion. Yeah, I'm prepared for this. I love lions. It's just so majestic, the beautiful manes. Yeah, and they're just so cool.
Well, we have this rule that you can only turn into an animal from the country that you were born in. So I was born in Australia, so I'd probably be a kangaroo. I would maybe be a wolf.
Dog. I love dogs, and everyone would say dog. Golden retriever, maybe an Aussie, something a little bit anxious.